Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Tailgate Molding Cap Spoiler. This tailgate molding cap is specifically for the Dodge or Ram pickup truck from 2009 to 2018. This includes light-duty trucks such as the 1500, 2500, and 3500. One note for the 2009 model year, this only fits the 1500 model. What your tailgate molding cap does is it protects the top of your tailgate from damage when loading or unloading cargo in the back. It also helps with the smooth appearance when matched with an existing bed liner, which then can help seal the bed if you have a camper shell or cover installed over top. There are two reasons someone would need to install a new tailgate molding cap. Either the old one is damaged from wear, or the original part is starting to crack and fade due to weather, something that happens with the original one. While this tailgate molding cap is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish, as it was designed to be a direct OEM replacement, thanks to the high quality construction throughout, same black finish, and all the OEM mounting locations, including all the clips on the inside and the pre-drilled holes. Installation of this is quite simple. First, remove the old one by removing all the screws, slowly prying up. Then, very importantly, wipe down the top of the tailgate to make sure that this fits flush and reinstall. If you have any questions about this specific replacement tailgate molding cap spoiler, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.